Kubikwa ukuthi oshazibhama abathathu bahlasele kuleli hostela bafike bavulela ngenhlamvu kwashona abantu abayi12 okubalwa kubo nengane neminyaka emithathu ubudala. Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa uthi basezithendeni zabasolwa.
We are still investigating the motive for this incident, but however, we do have an idea of what may have led to this incident. However, intelligence is still gathering and analyzing information that has been received. In no time, we are confident we will find 3 suspects, which we do have an idea who they are.
Umnikazi wendawo edayisa utshwala okubulewe kuyo laba abayi12 uvulelwe icala.
We have registered 12 counts of murder and 13 counts of attempted murder cases. We have also charged the owner of the room where this shebeen, he was hosting everyone at this shebeen. We have charged him. We have charged her, and she is, of course, in the hospital as we speak.
uMasimola uthi bakhathazekile ngezigameko zokubulawa kwabantu ezenzeke eGauteng. Kusenjalo ukhomishana wamaphoyisa uthi ukhona umuntu osaphekwa ngemibuzo mayelana nokuthinteka ekubulaweni kukaMarius van der Merwe obengufakazi ebizwa ngo-Witness D ekhomishaneni kaMadlanga.
3 persons of interest have been identified and one has been taken in for questioning as police investigations continue. We are confident that soon we will register a breakthrough as the police remain on high alert for those behind the killing of Mr. van der Merwe. It is safe to say investigations are on the right track.
uVan der Merwe wethule ubufakazi ngenyanga eyedlule obuthinta kakhulu izinsolo ngezenzo zobugebengu zenhloko yamaphoyisa e-EMPD eGruleni emisiwe uJulius Mkhwanazi.